Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Olive Hair Treatment is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for anyone looking to achieve salon-quality smoothness and manageability right at home, offering a luxurious experience that transforms dull, dry hair into a vibrant, healthy-looking mane with its deeply nourishing formula designed to replenish moisture and restore elasticity, making it an indispensable part of a comprehensive hair care routine for those who desire lustrous locks. Number 5. Keranique Lift and Repair Treatment Spray. Tired of flat, lifeless hair? Get instant volume and body with this revolutionary treatment spray. It's designed to lift your hair from the roots for a fuller look. Say goodbye to frustrating split ends. This powerful formula works to repair and smooth them, leaving your hair looking healthier and more polished. Infused with our exclusive keratin amino complex, it nourishes your hair from within. This helps to strengthen strands and improve overall hair health. Protect your hair from damaging heat styling. This spray acts as a barrier, shielding your locks from the effects of blow dryers and styling tools. Enjoy the benefits without the harsh chemicals. It's free from sulfates, dyes, and parabens, and comes in an unscented formula for sensitive scalps. Experience the difference this treatment can make. Achieve visibly thicker, stronger, and more manageable hair with every use. What we like? This product provides instant volume and body for your hair. It also effectively repairs split ends and offers heat protection. If you're looking for a quick boost and protection for your hair, especially before heat styling, this is a great choice. What people say? This product is a game changer for my hair, leaving it incredibly soft and manageable. I love how this shampoo lathers up, creating a rich foam that effectively cleanses my scalp without stripping natural oils. The conditioner in this line is amazing. It detangles my knots instantly and leaves my hair feeling silky smooth. Number 4. GK Hair Balancing Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Are you struggling with oily hair and a greasy scalp? Our balancing shampoo and conditioner set is designed to tackle these issues effectively. Experience up to 72 hours of freshness with our specially formulated set. Say goodbye to the need for daily washing and enjoy a clean feeling for longer. This powerful duo deeply cleanses your scalp, removing buildup, dirt, and excess oil. It's the best solution for maintaining a healthy and clean scalp environment. Enjoy a gentle yet effective cleansing experience. The subtle, pleasant fragrance leaves your hair smelling fresh without being overpowering. Reclaim your time and skip the daily wash. Our set provides lasting freshness and control, simplifying your hair care routine. Achieve the perfect balance for your hair and scalp. Enjoy a clean, fresh feeling that lasts, making it the ideal choice for oily hair concerns. What we like? Achieve up to 72-hour freshness with this set. It's designed to balance oily scalps and gently cleanse. If you struggle with greasy hair and want to skip daily washes, this set is perfect for maintaining a clean and fresh feeling. What people say? This shampoo is great for my oily hair. It cleanses thoroughly without stripping. The conditioner leaves my hair soft and manageable, and it smells amazing. I love the natural ingredients in this product line. They make my hair feel healthy. Number 3. Chihtsai No. 12 Instant Treatment. Experience the transformative power of our instant hair treatment. It deeply nourishes and repairs, leaving your locks revitalized. Infused with potent ingredients, this treatment provides deep nourishment for a healthy scalp. Enjoy a lasting, natural shine that turns heads. Say goodbye to damaged hair. This formula works to repair and strengthen each strand from root to tip, preventing breakage. Whether your hair is dry, damaged, or color-treated, this versatile treatment is designed for you. It restores vitality and manageability effortlessly. With its convenient 5.1-ounce size, it's perfect for home or travel. Achieve salon-quality results in minutes, anytime, anywhere. What we like? Experience an instant hair treatment that deeply conditions. It effectively smooths frizz for a polished look. If your hair is dry, damaged, or prone to frizz and you need a quick, effective solution, this product will leave your hair feeling revitalized. What people say? This product is a game changer for my hair. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft and manageable, and the scent is divine. I've been struggling with frizz for years, and this product has finally tamed it. My hair looks smoother and healthier than ever before. The lightweight formula doesn't weigh my hair down, which is a huge plus. It provides great hydration without making my hair greasy. Number 2. Chihtsai No. 5 Shampoo and No. 7 Conditioner Set. Introducing the Chihtsai No. 5 Shampoo and No. 7 pH Balancing Rinse Conditioner Set. This professional salon-size duo is perfect for maintaining optimal hair health. The No. 5 shampoo gently cleanses your scalp and hair, removing impurities without stripping natural oils. It prepares your hair for the balancing conditioner. Follow up with the No. 7 pH Balancing Rinse Conditioner. This rich formula helps to restore your hair's natural pH level, leaving it soft and manageable. Both products are suitable for all hair types, providing essential care and nourishment. Achieve salon-quality results at home with this powerful combination. Enjoy the convenience and value of the large 34 ounces, 1000 milliliters bottles. This set ensures you won't run out of your favorite hair care essentials anytime soon. Invest in your hair's health and beauty with this exceptional set. Experience the Chihtsai difference for vibrant, healthy-looking hair. What we like. This set offers gentle cleansing and pH balancing for your hair. Its formula is designed to nourish and maintain hair health. If you desire a gentle yet effective cleansing and conditioning routine that supports overall hair health, this duo is an excellent option. What people say. The product is very effective in making hair soft and manageable. It helps to reduce frizz and add shine to dull hair. The formula is lightweight and doesn't weigh down the hair. Number 1. Chihtsai No. 5 Shampoo. Experience a gentle cleanse with our specially formulated shampoo. It effectively removes impurities without stripping your hair of its natural moisture. Infused with nourishing ingredients, this shampoo helps to strengthen and revitalize your hair. It promotes a healthy scalp for optimal hair growth. Whether your hair is oily, dry, or normal, this versatile shampoo is suitable for everyone. It balances your scalp and leaves your locks feeling refreshed. Give your hair the care it deserves. This shampoo works to restore vitality and shine, making your hair look and feel its best. A healthy scalp is the foundation for beautiful hair. Our formula supports scalp health, leading to stronger, more resilient strands. What we like. This shampoo provides a deep yet gentle cleanse for your hair. It is sulfate-free and moisturizing, ensuring your hair isn't stripped of its natural oils. If you're looking for a daily shampoo that cleanses effectively while keeping your hair hydrated and healthy, this is the one for you. What people say. The shampoo is very moisturizing and leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. I love the scent of this conditioner. It's subtle and pleasant, and it really helps to detangle my knots. This hair mask has significantly improved the health of my hair. It feels stronger and looks shinier than ever before. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.